So we have really gone a long way. We are about to create a powerful dashboard that will look more enticing to you. And I can bet it with you, you will really enjoy it. So come along with me, please. This is the new sheet for the dashboard. These are original data, and these are the visualizations that we have created. So back to our dashboard, please. Know that a dashboard will always have a title. So what can we title our dashboard? Can someone help me with that? Oh, I wish this is a physical class. I love my class to always be an interactive session. And don't worry, you will not even miss out. Even it's not being a physical class, but you really enjoy and you really gain so much. So please come along with me. So we can give our dashboard employee workforce analytics dashboard. Let's see how it works. So this is my dashboard now. I want to type the title. So you have to insert what we call a text box. So insert text box. Do you want it to be an horizontal or a vertical? So place your text box here. I've been inserted the text box already. Just Control Z, please. Okay. So insert your text box, whether it is vertical or horizontal, anyone. So just drag it so that it will contain whatever you want to type here. So I said the title should be Employee Workforce Analytics Dashboard. If you are following me. So now let's type. So inside this, we're going to type our title here. So I have inserted the horizontal text box, and this is the title, Employee Workforce Analytics Dashboard. So you have to place it at the center. Please don't forget that my color have to be consistent. Color I'm using has to be consistent. If you should take a good look at my slides, you can see that I'm being consistent with color blue and black because color and the shades of blue it's our company color, so company's color, right? So I have to stick to that. So my dashboard will also have to follow the same format, and the visualizations I've been giving you as well is also color blue. So but before then, the background of this title I have to color it as well as blue. Can you see this now? So if the background now is now blue, what should the text be? So sky blue. If it is sky blue, can you see that the color is getting to be consistent now? So it might be either sky blue or white. If you are having if you are being difficult to get the color, so you can change it to white so that it will be more clearer. Okay. Then one thing else, the logo of whatever you are working with. If you assuming you are working with Ogun State now, the logo should be well placed. So I'm working with Teletech. So this should be Teletech Employee Workforce Analytics Dashboard. Let me insert Teletech. Assuming the data I'm using is for Teletech. So Teletech logo has to be there if you are following me. So this is Teletech logo. Copy it and paste it here. This is the logo. But my title, it should be pasted inside the title box. So this is my title. Then this has to go inside. I don't want it to be more extended. Okay. Then one thing more. Another thing is if you want to build a dashboard, we have what we call KPIs. KPIs are key performance indicators. What are key performance indicators? They are indicators like that will summarize the um numbers of the indicators that we have in our data. Let me show you now. This you are seeing on your screen are the summary of KPIs we have in our data sets. We have total employees, average salaries, average years of experience. So each those things we are supposed to have done them inside our pivot table. So let's go back to the original data and include our KPI so that we'll be able to report it in our dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you don't report only the visualizations. The KPIs have to be reported as well so that your dashboard will be more robust. So the first KPI we need is total employees at Teletech. So now insert pivot table, insert pivot table, select all. So it will automatically create a new sheet. Now where is our employees? We have employee ID. You can copy your employee ID here, and we need just no we need the count of employee ID. Can you see it? Count of employee ID 80. So this is our KPI on its own. Count of employee ID is 80. So you just copy this. But before you copy it, go back to the dashboard sheet. This is dashboard sheet. So we have to insert the shape that you would insert your KPI into. So this is insert your shape, click on shape. Do you want your shape to be rounded rectangle or pure rectangle? Assuming our shape is rectangle, so this is where we want the shape to be. Okay, now back to employee ID. Just copy it as it is now and paste it. Go and locate your dashboard sheet and paste it here. The shape has already overwritten what I pasted. So you need to change the color of the shape so that it will show what we have copied. I will show you how to go about that now. So this is how you edit this so that what we have copied there will be visible. Just click on here and it's either you choose this or this. So I would prefer to choose this, and then you drag this towards this side, drag it down as well. But I want my KPI to be around this side so that we have enough space for the data visualizations for the graphs that we are bringing in. This is count of employee ID. So just highlight everything here and click on home. The basic thing we are doing here is majorly editing. Then I want the background to be this blue as well, and the right up the font to be written with white. It's either you use white or you use sky blue if it's going to show very well, but I would prefer to use white color. So can you see that now? So I want it to be white. Yes, that's changed. Then make sure you drag this to this side so that it will be aligned with the title. Since we still have other things we are bringing, so this is the KPI for the employee ID. So having done with the KPI of the total employee, now it remains the KPI for this one, average salary, then average years of experience. Then we go back to our sheet one, insert pivot table again to determine the average salary. Okay, so it automatically creates a new sheet. So just type salary. Then go and search for salary, monthly salary. This is the sum, but we need the average. Valued field settings. Click on average. Okay, can you see it's average salary? Then we have to copy the statistics to your dashboard. This is our dashboard. Then just copy it here first. But before that, we have to insert another shape. So let's insert this shape here. Then copy. Don't forget that this is the type of shape we are using. Okay. Check if it is in line with the first one because they have to be well aligned. Then copy your average monthly salary, Ctrl X, and paste it here. Then copy everything and make sure that it falls at the middle. Here, I want Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z again. So assuming we have copied it now, then click on this place. This is where I want to paste. I want it to be pasted. So we are still on editing. Ctrl X. So before I paste this, I have to make it transparent. Okay, then control V. Can you see average of monthly salary? Then I have to edit it. Okay, can you see this now? Okay, don't forget our background, same color, and the font should be in white. Then this is too much, so I have to. Okay, we are getting there. Now the next KPI now is have average years of experience. Average years of experience. Insert your shape again. We have inserted this and this. So what likely shape do we need? Let's click this one, then put it here. Make sure it is well aligned with the rest. Okay. So for average years of experience, go back to your sheet one. You set pivot table. Mhm. Then go and look for years of experience of the employers, of the employees rather. Drag it to values. But do we need the sum? No. We need the average years of experience. So this is the average years of experience of all the employees working at Teletech. So I've copied it, just title this average years of experience. So I've copied it as it is now. Then back to our dashboard. Click on the dashboard and paste it here. But it will not be visible until you edit it and use this. Okay, so but okay, so I would advise that you merge this together so that to contain everything we want. Okay, even without merging, so you can still place it at the center. So I hope someone is following me. Then place it at the center here. Then don't forget the color we are used to, this background color and this our font color. Then what else? We need one more KPI so that this will look very full. You can also report the number of departments we have in the company by inserting the another pivot table. So this is how you report the number of departments. This is departments values. So what do we want to count? Value field settings, distance count. You know that this value that he gave us number of departments for all the employees. Now we want to know the actual number of departments we have in that company. It is six. Yes, can you see now? Distance count of departments. And when we were doing the visualization for the department, we can see that we have HR, we have finance, we have this, we have that. So and so it's not more than six. So just name this department count. So and this as well can be well represented on our dashboard. So click your dashboard, insert another sheet, Are we inside certifying as a massive? It has to be well aligned. Okay, thank you. So now I want to edit our shape now. So this is where you edit your shape. So that whatever we paste inside it will show. So let's paste it here. Distance count of departments. Then make sure it's aligned at the middle. Okay. Then don't forget our color as we have been using it before now. So this is white. So I think we are done with the KPI now. Now this is where we are going. We will now start copying our charts one after the other. We now start copying our charts. You have to be very good with editing. You want to design a dashboard. You have to be very, very good with editing so that it will come out nice. I'm not perfect, but you have to be good. So now back to our visuals. Okay, this is our gender distribution. You copy this back to your dashboard. So that we have space for others as well. So having done with the gender distribution, marital status of the employees, then copy it back to our dashboard and paste. It's actually very simple if you can be more patient to carry out all the tasks involved. Okay, so what next? We have copied our marital status, departments by the number of dependents, number of employees that are dependent. So back to our dashboard again to paste it and make sure you align them, make sure they are in order. Don't know where this thing is dragging me, so don't mind it. So make sure you perfect all your editing very well and you create enough space for the other chats that are still coming. Okay, I think they are now on the same line. Now we are done with the count of dependents, departments by gender. This is departments, number of departments by gender. Copy it, then go back to the dashboard to paste back this so that you'll be able to edit your work very well. Okay, then what is the next thing? This is count of job title by departments. So back to our dashboard and paste that one here. And make sure it is well edited to create space for other charts that are coming. There are so many insights you can derive from that single data. So it's not compulsory you place all your charts on a single dashboard. You can have up to four, three to four, even more dashboards from a single data based on the insights you want to derive from it. I hope you understand. So we have copied this. Department by gender, yes. I think I've copied this as well. Okay, so just paste it here. Present. This was not well aligned, so I have to align it with the one on top of it. Okay, so drag this here. So okay, okay. This is department by gender. Now what is here? This is count of job title. This is chart for count of job title by department. So copy it back to dashboard and paste. Okay, and then sheet 10, average years of experience. Copy it and paste it on the dashboard sheet as well. Can you see that this dashboard is making a lot of sense now? Okay, so what is the next thing we'll have to copy? Yes, okay. This count of employee. This is average monthly salary, average years of experience, and is there anything else? So this is just the summary of what we have on our data. Why is this overwriting my logo? No, no, no. Okay, okay. Do you know what? You can just bring this up. Because I want it to be showing on a screen. I want it to be well presented on a screen without you having to scroll up and down. Okay, okay. Can you see what I've just done? So I have to delete one row so that every other thing will come up. So this one is not well aligned. So I want it to come down a bit so that it will be in line with the rest. So me looking at this dashboard now, do you think it is not beautiful or it is? Obviously it is beautiful, and this has just summarized almost everything we have in our data set. This is Teletech, and this title is telling us that it is Teletech Employee Analytics Workshop. You can bolding it, or you can even italize the text. Can you see it? After I've put it, I italize it so that to be more beautiful. Can you see it? So this is how to build a very beautiful and amazing dashboard using Excel. So I want to use this opportunity to implore you all to not stop here. Because if you want to gain more, you have to research more on whatever you have learned. There are so many data online. I've sent your capstone project to be sent to your WhatsApp platform with the instruction and everything. So I want your assignment to be even more beautiful than this one. So that I will be so proud and I'll be so happy that I've actually imparted so many things to you. So see you on your graduation day. I am using this medium to wish you all the best in your endeavor. So I hope you have enjoyed your 4 weeks stay with Teletech. So, and I hope to hear more positive reviews from you all based on what you have learned so far. So your dashboard will tell me whether you have actually gained a lot or not. And I hope to receive amazing feedbacks from you all. Once again, I am Mrs. Sonny Akitode Ige. Have a nice day. Bye bye.